Hello everyone, I hope that you have a great day today. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create an activity and then change the activity to a list view, and fill in some information and create an app like this. So for example, if I pick, let's say, a pen from the list of names, then the toast utility is going to show that Ben is located at index number 1, and then the name got picked is Ben. So this can be a to-do list, or can be a contact list. All right, a very simple one. So let's get started. So let me create a new Android application or project, and I'm going to use the empty activity. And let me just give a name. How about basic? Basic list view, and click finish. There you go. And then I'm going to change the, give me a minute, let me increase the font size. I'm going to change the view from constraint view, which is the default one, to the relative layout. So select the constraint layout and right click the mouse button, and then select convert view to relative layout, and click apply. And I'm going to use the view itself as a list view control. So I'm going to delete the text view. Text view. All right, there is one thing you have to do. So select the constraint view, convert it to relative layout. And then the second thing you need to, I would recommend you to do is convert or change the default activity here to list activity. All right, two things. So second thing to do, third thing to do is comment it out. Comment it out. This statement. If you want to delete it, you can delete it. Really doesn't matter. And then if we run the, let's say if we run the app right now, so let's do a quick run on the app right now. And theoretically, we are not going to see anything at all. So let's see, the app is loading. Yeah, nothing there. All right, and then assume that I want to populate some names in there, so I can declare an array of string data type, for example, and then call names, and then it will be equal to a list of names. So for example, let me try a name like Ali. So this will be Ali, right? And then also name like Ben, and then also name like Ray. Just keep it short, All right, and then again, since the application itself is a view, so I can just call the set list adapter, and then create the new array adapter, and within the diamond operator, I will just set that, hey, all the elements will be string data type, and then again, I can just first parameter put, hey, the content from the array will be sent to the view itself. So that's why it's this. And also I will use the Android's built-in style, built-in style as the, let me say, Android built-in style, as the template okay, for the items. Okay, so R dot layout, and let me pick okay, simple item 1. Okay, there you go. And then me use the names, okay, okay, as the data source. All right. So we can actually we can run the app right now if you want to. Okay, so let me run the app right now. Okay, and you can see that the 3 names okay, will be there. Boom, that's it. Okay, really, I mean, really simple. Okay, yeah, and of course you say, well, it kind of got stuck. Okay, it's not scrollable. Oh yeah, sure, no problem. Okay, so let's just add more names okay, in there. Okay. So let me just add more names in there okay, to have a few of it. Okay, so let me just put the insertion point there, and then let me just use the names I have picked okay, and then put it in there. All right. Okay, so we have about 15 names. Okay, it should fill the screen. Okay, no problem. All right, and then let me run it. And then again, okay, you can see that the new list okay, will be populated okay, into the name. Oh, I missed a semicolon. I missed a comma here, sorry. No wonder the app won't run, my bad. Okay, so let's run it again. There you go. Okay, so the screen okay, can contain names up to yen. Okay, so if I okay, scroll it up, okay, then you can see that the remaining names okay, will show up. Okay, so again, the list view itself is a scrollable, okay, view. All right, and also, okay, if you want to, again, if you want to, you can play with different style. Okay, so let me copy this style here. Okay, so that you can have a comparison. Okay, so this is the simple list item style, okay, for the items in the list, okay. So how about we use a different one, such as simple, let's see, okay. Let me try the, okay. Okay, let me try the simple, give me a minute, simple list. Okay, item multiple choice. Okay, yeah, and then let's see what's going to happen. Yeah, if we use this style, so run it. So on the right hand side, it shows those check boxes. Again, I mean, there are really so many styles you can play with it. Okay, all right. So next thing I want to show to you is that we want to know which item is being picked, right? So we can do some action to it. So we can use the on list item click method. So let me try on list item click. So you can see that the software immediately showed up and asking me that, hey, you want to use this event handler? I said, oh yeah, sure. So just pick it for me, and then in this case, you can see that there are a couple parameters you can play with, but which item got picked? The value can be found in the position. And again, remember, array is 0 based. So if the first item is picked, then the value will be 0. So again, let me just quickly declare a variable called a message result. Message result. And then I will try something that is you picked. You picked and concatenate with the position. and then concatenate with a comma space, and I say name will be, and then I will use the names array and together with the index, which will be position in this case. Set it up, and I want to display the result in the toast pop-up. If you want to call it a pop-up window or something, really up to you. Make text, and then the first parameter means this object itself. Next one will be the message result, and then how long you want to display the message is really up to you. You can pick long or short, really up to you. Let me use short this time. And then the last one, you have to call the show method, okay? And the show method is not within the parameter, okay? So please make sure that you put the show method after the make text function call. All right, and then let's run it, let's run it. And then let's run it. All right, assume I'm going to pick the first one. So the pop-up message shows that you pick a 0, which is index 0, and then the name is Ali. So how about I pick Ray? So this time I say I pick 2, and then the value is Ray, which is correct. How about the last one? So if I pick Roy, so it is 17. And the name is Roy. So it should be right. So yes, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And so we have 18 items. So Roy's index is 17. Again, 0 based. Okay. All right. So this is a really short example showing you that how to use the view or the object screen itself as a list view. Widget or control, whatever you want to call it. And oh yeah, one more thing will be the layout. So if I want to set the background to kind of dark layout, then I can expand the application and then expand the resource folder, expand the values folder, and then from the style XML file, then I can again comment it out, all the 3 sub items here. So let me use the XML comment syntax, and then I can change this one. Again, give me a minute. Let me make a copy first. That's my style. I always keep a copy. And let me change the style to theme the app comp pet. So now if I run the app, you can see that the background will be changed. All right. Again, I mean, which style you like is really up to you. Okay. All right. This is just a very simple example. So let me just stop here. But then just a reminder. Please remember that change the default constraint to relative layout, and you really don't need to put anything in there. There's number 1. Number 2. Change the. Give me a minute. Yes, yeah. Change the extends the base class to ListActivity. Number 3, comment it out, or delete this statement, set content view. Then just set up the rest of the code. Then everything will work just fine. Feel free to pause the video and then take a look of the code if you want to. Okay, yeah. So that's it. Again, I hope that this is useful to you. And in my point of view, it's kind of fun. Okay. All right. Have a good day. Let me stop the video right now.